Disk is the way to go. You don't have to worry about tapes. You don't have to worry about spending the money on tapes. You don't have to worry about changing out the tapes, swapping them, getting them, off-site, bringing them back to site whenever you need a restore. Just the whole thing with just getting rid of tapes and going tapeless is a great idea. Everything to disk, and it's right there at your fingertips. So in case you need to do a restore, you can just, like I said, with ExaGrid, it's just a click of the button within their GUI, and the image is there. Within a matter of minutes, you have an image, as opposed to if you have to go out to Iron Mountain or off-site to grab all those tapes to make sure you have the correct tapes for the restore. So, I definitely recommend ExaGrid to colleagues. Our data center, we have to pay for space, so the smaller footprint, the better. Compared to a tape silo where you have thousands of tapes load in, and it's just a big robot and sitting in the center of the data center. It takes up a lot of space. As far as ExaGrid goes, we're able to get 6 servers into a half a rack to back up all of our data. So that plays a big part. As far as dedupe goes, that's huge as well, because we back up a large amount of data every night, and to be able to store all that large amount of data on that small footprint, dedupe plays a big role in it as far as compression. I come in the morning. Most mornings I won't even check, but I'd say 2 or 3 times out of the week I'll go in, I'll log in, check, make sure restores are done successfully, monitor it real quick, and everything's fine. And then I don't have to worry about the rest of the day. And I just go about doing everything, the rest of my responsibilities without having to worry about backups. Given, I guess, the way the economy is now and the budget that we don't get as big of a budget as we used to get. And one of the big winners was with ExaGrid was the price of the product. The product that we're using now is a great product, and it holds its own. For the amount of data that we back up, it doesn't have a problem backing it up, doesn't have a problem deduping it, doesn't have a problem replicating it across. And it works the way it's supposed to work. ExaGrid came in, they told us this is the way it's supposed to work. We set it up, and sure enough, it worked that way.